So we can have thank you. You can perform now. Someone's like open it. Stroke something for that.
Even in the beginning of that sentence, I just had all that.
So when I put it in
People stand by their artefacts this side and we will come along and celebrate.
Oh, that's brilliant! It
To do is one person to act as the observer. So think of 1, 2, 3. Give yourself a number, 1, 2, 3. Yeah? So number 1 observes, 2 interviewing 3. What we have been undertaking here is a semi-structured interview facilitated by this activity. The activity, big word that you just engaged in, is visual hermeneutics.
Another thing to do would be to get people to create a collage, and then maybe together with them you interpret the collage and what they were trying to say in response to your research question. All of that will require very delicate skills. That's why you've got some practice here at interviewing and getting some feedback on how well were you interviewing? Were you drawing information nicely out of people? What could you do better next time in that encounter? What was your reaction to being asked to write? Or what was your reaction to that question? How did it make you feel?
I've just put down like a bunch of bullet points, like what I could write down for that question, and like put branches out of like what else I can add on to that bullet point.
So actually you sort of stopped the writing process to do the planning process.
In a way, yeah.
Not a bad thing, is it?
No.
There's nothing wrong with planning first.
But you can look there and think, okay, what didn't I know what to write about? Which bit of the question, was it all of it? Was a bit? And that can then start, 1, directing our research, so I need to go and find that out, or that was a class, that was a seminar that we had, I'll go and find those notes where that was talked about.
Well, I don't really know where to go with it. Then walked in his boxers, looked at the dead body and left again.
David took the knife from her hand and stabbed her.
That's romantic comedy!
She might not be stabbed.
So you decide what
Yes, she might.
Okay, and who are you going to pass it on to decide what the policeman does? Who hasn't been yet? Put your hands up. No one's going to put their hand up.
Yeah, so you said that's so I put with the how. is choose your lens, yeah? How am I reflecting on the developer digital me? Am I reflecting on what I did as a first year undergraduate, which you're allowed to do, because you are a first year undergraduate? Am I reflecting as a prospective teacher, who might be thinking, how would I use this practice in my own classroom? Am I reflecting as a professional, evaluating my own practice as somebody who's getting digital, because that's going to be necessary for my job?
Now that can be that, so just sit for a second and think of this morning, engaging in the poster making, the digital artifact. Are you going to work on your own or in groups? But just have a think first off. What am I going to do? Why am I going to do it? How am I going to do it?
In there, wouldn't it?
Yeah,
it would.
that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah,
Don't-
go to word art, then that
Yeah,
would
go
be
to word art. So just two to the right.
Yes.
There we go. And then
Can be rotated this one as well?
Yeah, you can do
Yeah,
that.
if you go on that,
yeah,
I
it's
guess so.
always-
Like that, that looks.
Is it? No, it's
No.
not.
No,
similar.
it's not that.